Happy Sunday, viewers. Today, it's another episode of Crockpot Challenge. I have learned two things filming the episode. As you can see, the Crockpot is full already. By the way, today's challenge is to reimagine a classic recipe. So, that's where we're going from. So that's one. You're going to learn reimagine a classic recipe. Two, never let your husband be the cameraman. You know what you would have seen? 47 seconds of this. That's all we got. So I am going to try and go back and kind of just show you kind of what's in here so you can see. Okay. So I chose to reimagine the classic for this time of year when everybody gets the cooties. Chicken noodle soup. So in the pot, and you're like, well, what's up with that? We don't eat meat. So I'm going to make chicken noodle soup that we can eat. So first off, instead of chicken broth, I used garden vegetable broth. Now, today I'm using collagen simply because it was BOGO at Publix. I'm all about the BOGOs. So that's what's in there. It's about a box and a half of the collagen broth. In there is salt and pepper, just like I did yesterday, 2 pinches and 1 pinch of pepper. And there is this beautiful herb bag that has bay leaves, thyme, and rosemary. Now I have a bay laurel plant, so I have fresh bay in there. I also have fresh thyme in there, but my rosemary plant is not doing well. So there's dried rosemary in there. If you don't have fresh herbs, hey, no problem. Use dried. Not a problem. So that was the first thing, broth, salt, pepper, and your herb thing. Onion, I used 2 because these are a little small, so I put 2 onions in there. Carrots, just regular old carrots. Well, I guess these are Greenwise organic carrots. I do like also the heirloom ones, the purple and yellow ones. Those are pretty cool. You missed my 12-minute rant on the dandy celery sticks, how I can never find celery at Publix, but I can find these, but whatever. And that's Wally. And in order to reimagine this, we are using our chicken. That's my cat Wally in the background. Chicken strips. So that is the chicken in the chicken noodles. So I have cut, you missed my knife skills portion, but that's okay. I'll show you it at another time. I cut everything up. So everything's in there. Boopity boopity boop. It's all cut up. There's the chicken. Oh, garlic. I didn't get the garlic. I will show you. Actually, I will show you where my garlic is. Come with me. I'll show you where my garlic is. I keep my garlic in the freezer, and I buy the already peeled ones. A, it's not cheating. B, it's fine. You put them in the freezer. They last forever. Okay, back to the thing. Chicken noodles. There's your soup. You do have to put noodles. So, and I don't like noodles pasta per se because it's not pasta. It's American pasta, and don't get me started on that. I'm getting there. I did get their hearty home-style egg noodles, American classic since 1867. And you're going to want to put those in about 30 minutes to 45 minutes before you serve. You don't want to put them in now. They'll just fall apart, and you'll have like wallpaper paste. So sorry about that, everybody, but that's kind of in a nutshell what today is, reimagining a classic. So we have chicken noodle soup without really chicken and with vegetable broth. Please remember to share your reimagining of a classic. I really want to hear what you're doing, and I will see you next time. Bye.